Good afternoon, country people. Them we glad plenty for me to now for this side. Now number 2 time this for number 1 day for the week. Chapter for this afternoon, we go talk palava for accident where it happened for inside Yaoundé this weekend. Sabi say for inside 72 hours, so the 10 people them they die for Sika's careless accident the way it happened for inside Yaoundé town. We go talk palava for that last accident wey concern Secretary General for inside Ministry for Territorial Administration wey family all be die for that accident, even as we say no be there for inside the motor. Now so too we go talk palava for chief for inside village where they call am say Diteng na for side for Yabasi. As we fight, it happen for day only for Sika say they want put chief for inside that village. So for this afternoon chapter the whole try for talk we go take unam we enter for compound for Chief David Molingem where he don't work go for before. Sabi say chief he work na early this morning time. We go talk that chapter plus I be promise una tori wey newspaper they talk this afternoon. We go turn back for waiting where we come be them for newspaper they write them. Big part talk for this Monday. They try for talk say waiting. It's a person where they climb on top ladder with a hand inside a pocket na strong man. Person where they climb ladder with a hand inside pocket na strong man. Na Shea Vincent for side for class quarters inside Boya na he send with big part talk. Me at the turn back some more time. Good afternoon, we glad again for joining us. First thing for Tori, we take una go for inside Yaoundé. Na palava for accident where it don't happen since for inside this last week we finish the last one it happened for Friday for night na moto that where na Secretary General for inside Ministry for Territorial Administration he get where the motor it makes serious versus with this other motor. Now for that side where they call say van side for just for before company where they make member for inside country here. Now for the way this motor is jam. Lucky now say this motor will be jam. The Secretary General says it no be there for inside. Now only a family and who side the family be the go. They be the one go make na knock door for some married. They one go make knock door for married. Now for the way the motor it takes style it jam serious versus where it happen. All the people there they be there inside the motor. No man it no come up for outside with the 2 foot. All man they come out and way it don't already go 6 feet yet. Sleep straight like a ruler. Time where we man will land for that side. There be one staff for come out the motor. Bed na the motor die the CA 209 for testing and governor motor sesep where he make the accident CA 209 G whether na GCO na waiting. Now the governor motor that where he make accident. 4 people then die. Now it means say inside Thursday so for Friday or Wednesday so Friday 10 people them they die for inside town for Yaoundé only for Sika accident. Sabi say the first accident where pass for Yaoundé be concerned and Gongoro where mechanic it be one tesam after we finish for side for side they call them say 11 quarter from Gusu. That one now 5 people then die one time. So Friday night another people then die. So now so palava for accident inside Yaoundé. Waiting if he talk for that accident, no man enough he answer that question. For Douala here we go for Yabasi side. It be then a serious fight. I say serious fight for Sika say village people then for Diteng. They get for put deep say na be chief for inside. Inside this palava for this chief for inside Yabasi. It be then one way Kamamburu people them. I say Kamamburu people them even D yourself he had it be the court. I say D away be go make that vote for say make they put power for chair. He had the court. See police people there they go Diteng that day. Police people them for inside Diteng for Sunday. See them. D yourself he turn up so they look place. He say now which kind of thing this? But Sabi say people there they make chief. Una say now people that they talk say person where they put our chief. Now part this way get for be chief. But Kamamburu people, the police, they be turned all side. Na pa Matanga Maurice. Na iwe ide so they put on like a chief for inside the ten village. But Sabi say people then for the ten they no be like the palava at all. Sabi say na only for ground they where they make vote. I say they make vote. chief maker them, people that they make chief, they make vote so they na dipa matanga o na I last win the vote. But population, if you talk say they no one na I way true, normal. If you don't get for chidon for that chair, only for Sika Palava say village people them they be get their own people the way they get for put. So if you then a big Palava for inside the 10 villages a weekend way pass. For Sika Palava for chief. Why they no feel respect or they no city where people them for boya they do? Why they no feel see that one? For she don't say they pick their chief quiet. We fight in no day. Make una see her.
Monsieur Matanga est chef du village du Dien.
Yes, so now this Palava pass for inside village for D10 for Sika Palava for chief who get for local that village. We go left chapter for chief. We take una from Ndokoti side. This early morning time for people them for waka. Na big trouble. I say this early morning time for people them for waka for that side. So before we talk this palava, me will take una enter for computer. Yes, Nadine. Well, since we don't start talk palava and Ndokoti side for this early morning time, we'll just talk now Ndokoti that's for side for Ndokoti. People there they sabi that road where they go for Peka 11, Peka 11 for that roundabout. Now for day where this morning time all thing be happen for day. I say way it no be there for people them for pass. All man is the one pass. All man is the one pass. Last who get for pass. Now way people then say they turn up so they say now which kind of thing this. Picking the way the one go school say they no be fit for pass enter go school. So when they be the pass na con short for inside water for cross go for different side. So on Ndokoti side they for that roundabout that one way they go for Cité de Palmier. The other one they go for Peka. Then the other one they climb for go for Ndokoti side. That roundabout. So this morning time now Kamamburu people they come they can knock people them for day. I say they come knock people them before road is clear. People them where they want go work today, where they pass for this road. I say people them where they pass for the road for side from Ndokoti side, they be here hot. I say they be here hot. Stand up for road for more than 5 hours. One day they be don't come up for the house since 6:30. By 10 o'clock, a meet them for they see how people they last pass. Now for talk water, see water, people they can pass na conshort before they pass walk out foot cross waka they go for up different side for Sika traffic and for Sika which people they cause traffic na so people there they drive motor one day where they drive Okada no man in no one talk say na he right for pass all man he get right for pass so last people they no be pass. I say people they no be pass e be there na Kamamburu people them. Now then they can knock people they move out for road before the road is start pass small. So now so road for that side so for Ndokoti side it be day. Yes, now so the roads it be day for this early morning time. We could talk chapter now for Popo a computer. Yes, computer for Popo it don't enter to for university picking them for that side for Changdahan. It be then and Gandowe na Oga Jacques Famen Dongo Sepsep minister for big book. Now it be they as we don't the tonton sins for give the computer for picking them. And the same tori way knock for all side now the same tori way talk for university picking them for Chang. He talk for them saying Nkunkuma he like them. And Nkunkuma says for Sawe the she done for it today. He sabi say the picking the like it. Now for Sika why that way did dash from Nkunkuma when a computer. Now for help the picking them say may they put their head fan for book. So that tomorrow they no go talk saying Nkunkuma no be help them. So it be then a big ngando for people them for side for Changde university for Chang. Sabi say before Oga minister for big book, if you wan land for Chang, if you don't come for Douala here, Douala he go for Boya, Boya he go for Bamenda, Bamenda now so he go na for Chang side. From Chang, when the other computer they go land, Nangaundere people they go get, and Marwa people then too they go get. But for now, we sabi say university for Yawende 1 and 2. They be the first people there they be get the computer when Nkunkuma gi and say make they use and learn book. And the computer them. So till now we never hear no nothing. We pass for Douala, he pass for Boya, he pass for Bamenda. We never hear no nothing whether the computer they see craze as well be craze for the first time. So for now our eye they open for here as well the computer when Nkunkuma gi and for school picking them. For university, how e dey waka? The one e be dey na 100,000 computer them wey they bring for inside this second round, and e don touch Douala, Boya, Bamenda, and Chang. We go take una go for that side for Grand Hangar. Now for inside Douala for Sesewude. Quarter for inside Grand Hangar. Na quarter that for Douala for Bonaberi. Them Sesep they know the year fine. Palava thief for inside that quarter. Palava water two way a detana for bridge when place a day. And even palava for light way, you know the light, even as well they get light. Now all the palava in that see that bridge no? Many of them people they don't work the place fine. But when water mean for tana for that place, motor no the pass. Even you say way there with your 2 foot, you know if you pass a day. Now grand got that. See dirty self for some other side. Even as well they don't struggle for say make other side they clean. So other people they do with dirty no the if you ever left them. Dirty no if you ever left them for quarter for Grand Hangar. And the people that they thank people them for Douala fine. But the light. The light already see. Light, you know the light. No nothing. The one when water mean for Tana for year. People they go cry sote. Where you know they so they talk for big people them for inside Douala for. Say may they try for cancer as way they feel help them. Mosquito a day for Sika water way they turn up careless. And even people themselves for the Grand Hangar they need to look so thief a day they plenty. Light where they don't put on for them for road for shining their road. You know the show. Bridge where they don't fix road. Water a the turn up for day. So they beg na people them for Douala for. Say may they come for cancer wait away. They feel do one for them. Make we hear one person for Grand Hangar. He talk problem where they get them.
Yes, I did for my compound. Thing we may run one for Grand Hangar. I like them plenty because all our roads being very nice constructed. We have our poles, electricity, but in the shine, we don't get water. Grand Hangar not fine water, but now water we get lack and insecurity. Where personally we are turn up or so for my back. Never me 1 week ago. Then take money for some woman where one come out, the person don't go. Even I myself. 2 years or 3 years back, armed robbery become my house can collect me money. Yes, this bridge for back here, I will see it dead dry now. Where rain it fall. But tomorrow, if rain of all will come around 8 o'clock, you will see all these bridges be flooded with water. The water not now rain. Not now rain now. Now natural water from high sea. We have low tide and high tide. Highway when I see the problem, since they don't plant them. They need light, and now the second time this we cry this for mayor, and we don't even talk for DOA.
Now, just for Sabi say this one for Grand Hangar happen says with the mayor for inside the Douala form. It be the waka for inside Grand Hangar for salute or for meet up with people them, village people them for side where they call them say Babaju and other people them for inside Grand Hangar. Sabi say this one it be then just peace waka way Oga Mayor say it be the waka for meet up with the people them for talk for them say waiting. Nkunkuma he don't talk say make all people then stay like a one. Make no man he no talk say the man he no come up for this side and no go like he. The one he know the talk the kind of country talk and no go like he. No, it be the talk for them say all them get for she done for one place. For talk say as when Nkunkuma don't talk say Cameroon na one. Make all man is she done to like one. So it be then and Gando way mayor say be meet up with Babaju people them and even some other people them for Grand Hangar for tell them say waiting. This palaver for national unity and for say many people they should don't like a one. Now one thing where all people they hear, and if they an opportunity to for the people them for try for talk for mayor say this so oga mayor you don't do it work fine. But someone the day where you never do and where we want to say may do and palaver roads. They cry this palaver road plenty for inside as we mayor the shidon mayor for that side so for Douala for and Ibiden and Gando for them for top for one place with the mayor and for mayor too for tell them say Nkunkuma he want and say make people they stay na one. They no want and say they want to talk say he know the talk pidgin, he know the talk English, he know the talk French. I no go be combi with he. I go be combi now little person. Where he talk the same country talk with me. That one in no day. Make we hear wait way small mayor for Douala for a talk.
And for field for meet up with the people of Babaju, an important population where a day for this municipality. And so the mayor, the person where elect living together, the prone living together for the population. That means he be highly against tribalism. He wants to make community live together from all community for his municipality. And he also wants to say for develop, we all the join hand for develop. So he never develop you one. People must be for your back so that make a realized project where it will make them they live fine.
Yes. Small mayor talk, waiting be the big money on talk, waiting be their problem where they get them for inside Granga, big man for Babaju people then to talk.
Say my population where they are, I call them, ask me they come, we meet the mayor of Douala for council. We be agreed to what I go ask to the mayor. May he put hand, help us. Works no work again. The room where they enter inside water. They go away, they don't block them. May try send caterpillar where they open them. Now the only thing that the email help it come into the water, send people in the water, may they come clean the place.
Sabi say no better thing enough pass where you no see what in for corner side for inside this Wakam for a mayor for that side you will get former big man for Okada people the way be meet up with the man way there for chair now. Ebiden a BB quarrel for the two people them for say waiting. They try for talk say the big man he talk say no be get right for organize something for inside side. Other people then too they be the vex say they pay money for she done under canopy. They deny them canopy. They instead give them for other stranger them. Ebiden a big quarrel too for these other people them for Sika say they no give them canopy where they don't already pay money say they go she done for under canopy. So it be been a big palaver for a quarrel where be happen as we mayor for that side so for Douala for it be meet up with people them for Grangam for talk for them say may they shidon like one and may they shidon like brother and sister make no man in no cause another person. All people them too they be they be the vex. One the way they vex in a big people them, other one them they pay money for shidon for canopy, the one can shidon, they send them come up for aside, say stranger them, they don't shidon under that canopy. So we get all kind quarrel them as we may yourself it be shidon for that side yesterday. Make we talk now palaver for die. We open we book for die, black book for talk say inside weekend way pass. For that side for West region, they don't bury honorable for CDU party where be die. They calling a honorable Samba Mariama where he be die for inside accident for the week. Sabi say he be die for number 14 day for inside this very moon. Honorable Samba Mariama, person for CDU, he die for moto as we be one go meet up with Kombi them for Yawinde side for Hon Dongame way concern CDU people them. So they be put it for 6 feet inside this weekend we pass and it be then a time for all people they show his sorry heart for come meet up with the family na the motor that will make the accident we all them so they die. So it be then a time too for even big man for the party for talk say die na team way all man in no fit run am big cry die honor some honorable then say they be dede for talk Asia for family for honorable Samba pass say e be dede for talk Asia for honorable Mariama Samba we die na person to that way can represent a big man for National Assembly for inside that cry die. Ebide na bibi kradai for CDU people them as well they don't lost someone of their combi where it die for Sika accident for number 14 day for inside this moon. For that side for Boya, early morning time Ebide na one as well people them for Moya they wake up for Sabise their chief David Molinge Edongo Waka. Yes, make we enter we show na who be Chief David Molinge. Ona sabi say pass sep e be don be na person we be the ever pass for inside with Tori for this side. Make we enter for show na palava for Chief David Molinge then a second class chief for that side. So for Moya way he died this he waka for this early morning time. Nadine no be na interview make we talk on top that he photo way the talk sabi say na the one of the last Tori then that will be get will be go for a house for side for Boya this early morning time with chief he don't go waka be then a big cry die for inside Boya as with Chief David Molingem where he then a second class chief from Moya side he waka be don the sick yes and a population says they don't get big cry die for that side for inside Boya na palaces for Chief David Molingem where other combi them they come for this early morning time for can talk Asia all man for inside Moya be the Pierre be the only cry as we flag says the fly but person we get that compound e don't go waka. So na big cry die where people them from Moya side they get now for Sika wide that we see population a land for that side. So for Chief David Molinge compound this early morning time for talking a big cry die big loss where they don't lose as with their chief e go waka this early morning time for that side. So for Boya. Yes, we go left a chapter for die now, so we take on a talk palava for mountain raceway happen it be then a Saturday small we go talk this other side for Tori for talk as we the mountain race happen. Sabi say na minister for sports palava for sports and physical education Pierre Ishmael Bidungpat and the governor Bernardo Calabilai they begin start for all the race. We get 3 different people there they run small picking them na their own they be fair run first na small picking than this na them be fair come out for that side. So for mountain na small picking they be fair come out for this palava for race. After small picking they come out you get old people them that one they call them say veteran na them they come out yes and na them they come out first and na the other one then this small picking their own race na then this way it is so they give them to start for inside this palava for race. After small picking then go first na the adult them small picking they follow then the old people them where they call them say veteran people them na them be the last set for people there they give them to make the run na then that way they be start for run someone they be don't even start run first before they even put gun for up. So Sabi say inside 500 people there they be get for run this year for Sika check where they check their skin if they get sick 50% for the people there they be get for run this year they no be last run. Sabi say they be then a total 291 according to Tori get away they take run but as well Sabi you know even overstay 4 hours after we start get the first people there they start calm down then the first relating to a calm down I mean say the people there they be they run them 3 where they calm down then after we start seeing the first man picking now that they calling a gap sibling God love now be the first man picking where he climb on top mountain he calm down he take that palava now for 4 hours 30 minutes for this palava for mountain race God love gap sibling where he be don't win am for 2000 and waiting you sabi say no be winner last year for Sika say the person we can second now 5 Elvis now become a second this year but God love he become a first year before this year that for 2 2016. So now for tell we say Golo Gasibin, he come first for man picking them. After Golo Gasibin, for a back, we get the other people there they become. We get first woman and even number 2, number 3 man picking the way they come, or then they be carried in small. For talk say for climb on top mountain, come down, you know be then a small thing. Yes, now the third man picking that where he come after the first woman where they call it waiting Tata Karin where he come first, and for back we be get Ngalim Lizette, and the other one where they call it say Yvonne, now he come number 3. So now so the mountain race a pass for Boya side day, even as we plenty Pongo be done the pass, say maybe he no go pass, but all thing it has pass fine for that side. So for Boya for this chapter for mountain race. For corner side, for this mountain race, plenty thing they be happen, plenty thing them they be the pass for corner side. Sabi say they be then opportunity for people them for make that be net. You get one day they be play their 100 jumbo game. Yes, the one they be make their own small be net. Kamamburu people they say now them be cover the whole field for Sika. We sabi the condition where mountain race it be the pass for inside Boya. It be then at some kind of condition where Kamamburu people them they be get for turn up for all corner for say make their eye they shine. Mami water for gendarmerie sesep e be turn up for day. Any man way one bring any confusion they move it for game. Small picking they say they be the say that small thing them forget their 100. Now so too they be the make test for HIV for that side. So now all the corner side them as we make your test one time they give you a result for tell you whether you the sick or you know the sick. Then even helicopter yes mami water for police people they say they so it means we get 2 mami water them for inside the helicopter aeroplane for Kamamburu people they say be the tonton the look place the shine eye the look place so that any bad belly people they fit put them for down. So now so we see mountain race for corner sides nothing then that will be the pass for us way people they be the try for enjoy people they be the try for enjoy Kamamburu people then too they be day for CC all thing it pass fine and the thing they pass fine. Yes, all thing pass fine for that side for tell we say even white man the way they come all man he enjoy. So country people them now so we take see mountain race we go give time for this small picking the way they be run on top mountain come down. Suleiman will take first for small picking their own race and person will take number 11. Make we hear them. We sorry for that small mistake. Nadia will just enter for Wetway newspaper they talk this afternoon. Make we enter for Wetway newspaper they talk. We begin with the media newspaper where they for outside this morning time. The media newspaper they try for tell we Palava for 2019 man Damba for Olembe Stadium. They tell we say big man where the local that work. He don't go for by force pension. Now waiting happen. The median he get them for talk for we. So for inside the median you go try for read as well they talk say they so fine DO for that side. So for Batibo where he lost. The median too he get Tori for Palava Senator Muso, former senator when a president for Bilingualism Commission Oga Musunge as well they try for talk say he did one play Palava for peace for inside Boya. Make we left the media newspaper we enter for the Star newspaper to a come out we day for outside this afternoon. The Star newspaper they tell we Palava for mountain race for 2018 Northwest people they don't come carry out in go back for that side for Northwest according to it the Star newspaper talk. Now Northwest a carry out in so for inside the Star newspaper they go tell you to him for as where they put new big people them for inside a GCE board. So for inside the Star newspaper you go sabi way to him British a big man for minister for British people them he can do for Boya as we talk with people them for Boya side for this Palava for Northwest and Southwest. Make we left the Star newspaper we enter for the Sun where it dey for outside too. The Sun newspaper it talk Palava for senator vote where it come they say plenty magu it dey for inside this senator vote we get for happen. You get for reach all that thing where the Star don't talk then so for inside that chapter they tell you as we senator Ote Mofam it talk say waiting it been a small waiting it the one say small warm it the one happen for that side for Northwest and South West. The Sun newspaper too, it gets order to read them. Now for you for enter for inside for read them. The Voice, it day too for outside. Strong number for The Voice for this afternoon. It tells you Nigerian governor is social show science rating. It no respect his own law, and it send people the way they be get for keep them for outside. Now one of the strong number than that with The Voice newspaper right there for outside, it get them. So for inside The Voice, if you read other strong number them with the day for outside. Example, Vice Chancellor for University for Zimbabwe with the catchy for Sika say he give fake certificate for Grace Mugabe time we he be there for chair like First Lady. Last story for this afternoon with newspaper the top. Now for inside the Post newspaper, the Post newspaper right there for outside, it gets its own story for talk. 2018 votes for get president or for get a senator. They say party them for that side. So for inside country here, they did try for fight for respect the last date so they don't give them for them. So for inside the Post, you go read Tori for Palava Batibo, you go read Tori too as when person where they appointed for Constitutional Council, it talk say he go so remain, he go the talk it true. If Ngomna no they do fine, he go talk am. Mount Cameroon race for hope too. The Post, it talk the Tory as we tell we which people then they win and how they race, it pass for inside Boya side. Now Tory than that for this afternoon country people them. We thank you plenty, and if you day for table for chop, bon appetit. Ambassador go turn back for some time tomorrow. On a whole I'm tight for outside.